Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace a VW Jetta key battery. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. Begin by locating the small seam on your key fob. Use the screwdriver to gently pry the two halves apart, being careful not to damage the plastic. Once open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it from its slot. Now, take your new CR2032 battery. It's crucial to insert it correctly, with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Gently press the battery into its compartment until it sits securely. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely reassembled. After reassembling, it's time to test your key fob. Walk over to your VW Jetta and try locking and unlocking the doors. If it works, great. If not, don't worry. First, double-check that the battery is inserted with the correct polarity. Sometimes, a loose connection can also be the culprit. Ensure the battery is seated firmly. If problems continue, you might try a different new battery. Remember to dispose of your old battery properly at a local recycling center to protect the environment. If after all these steps, your key fob still isn't working, it might be time to consult a professional. A dealership or an automotive locksmith can diagnose more complex issues. And hey, while you're upgrading your car's functionality, why not upgrade your home too? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.